Hi, Chef Dana here in our Ignite test kitchen for day 2 of our 12 Days of Christmas recipes. And today we have Gruyere, mushroom, and caramelized onion puff pastries. Join us tomorrow for stuffed peppers. Today we are going to be making Gruyere, mushroom, and caramelized onion bites. So we're going to start off by putting a little bit of butter on our pan, our sheet pan here. We're just going to, normally you would be doing this in probably in a saute pan, but I don't have a saute pan, I have baking sheets. So this is what we're using. So we're going to put some butter down and our mushrooms. First we're going to saute these, and we're going to do this in our Alto-Shaam vector. So we're just going to sprinkle those around and put them in the vector. So now we're going to add some more butter to our cookie sheet here, and we're going to add our sliced onions. This is 2 sliced onions, and we are now going to put these in the oven for about another 10 minutes probably, and then we're going to take a look at it. Okay, so now we have our mushrooms that have been caramelized with some little bit of sugar and our mushrooms and lots of butter. And we're gonna put them in a bowl. They have cooled down to room temperature. And we are going to add in some smoked Gruyere cheese that I smoked yesterday in our Alto-Shaam, cold smoked it with our Alto-Shaam combi. Use apple wood chips. So now we have a nice cheese mixture with our mushrooms and our onions. And now for the fun part, we are going to make the squares. So we have puff pastry dough here. We are just going to unfold this. Dust off a little bit of that flour that they give you extra. Using a pizza cutter, I'm going to just cut this into thirds and then thirds again. As straight as line as you can do. So after you have cut your dough, transfer it over to your baking sheet that has been lined with your parchment paper. And then you're going to take your egg that you have beaten, and we're just going to brush our puff pastry. Okay, so now we have our mushrooms, our caramelized mushrooms, Gruyere, and onions placed on our puff pastry. So now we're just going to put these in the oven, 350.